Hey you guys, what's up? CimplyCeCe here. Welcome back to my channel. You guys, this is a really random video, but you guys deserve it. For all of my subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you are new here, my name is CimplyCeCe, and here on my channel I like to focus on faith, fashion, fitness, and some beauty. And I'm currently documenting this sister-like journey here. And we growing and we growing. Yep, if you're interested in any of those things or you enjoy this video, you like me, be sure to subscribe to your girl's channel, hit the notification bell, do not miss any of my uploads so that you know when I upload, because I'm struggling right now, but for good reason. But if you enjoy, like and subscribe.
You are not hidden. There's never been a moment you were forgotten. You are not hopeless. You have been broken, your innocence stolen.
Okay, so anyway, you guys, I'm coming on here just to do a quick chat, and I'm going to upload this video. I did one before, but I was looking a total mess, y'all. I'm still going to show snippets of it, but I'm going to give y'all a forewarning, because what I was saying in there, I rewatched it. I really do like the content, and I think it's worth discussion. So I'm still uploading, but I'm definitely looking like a bum. I'm not going to even lie. And my makeup looks trash, really, because I was trying something new. I am 1 week out for a retie, so the fuzz means it's growing, okay? So anyway, you guys, I have been working on my Salon suite, and I apologize for anybody that was wanting a vlog of that. I do have footage of updates of it, and I'll make sure to put them in this video if you guys are interested, because I didn't get to film it like I wanted to. I didn't do much work to it because Solar Salons has like a contractor, and he like paints and does all of that stuff for you. So I didn't really do anything. I didn't show me moving in because the suite, I think it maybe be 100, and maybe it's 100 square feet. It's small, you guys. So it's just hard to film. And then I still would have did it, but the truth and the God honest truth is, I was just kind of doing stuff in between work. I was going in there early in the morning before I had to be at work, going in late at night. So I was really tired because I want to get over there, and I didn't want to be working in two places, and I was just ready to open. So that is why I didn't show like live footage of me actually like doing things or decorating. I still got a few more things I need to do. I did some shopping this morning. I did not remember to record, but it was just at Walmart, so it wasn't nothing fancy, you know what I'm saying? So don't be mad at me, okay? My neighbor's leaving. So that is where I have been. I'm like, it's like I'm gone, but I'm really not gone, y'all. I'm just working on the salon suite, and I don't know, it's something wrong with my brain, maybe, but I'm a person that, like, I don't like to continue on as usual until something is done. So maybe I shouldn't be like that. I probably could have been filming and doing stuff, but I was really like, no, until this week gets done, I wasn't in the mood to do anything. And then stuff was happening and things wasn't working out the way I wanted them to. So I was frustrated. And I know when I get emotionally in a bad way, like meaning like I'm frustrated or I'm disappointed, it is so hard for me to be able to like do things as usual. And I know my husband notices it, and I know it irritates him sometimes, but that's just who I am. So I haven't been in the mood to film anything because of that. But I was, I'm chilling on my porch. It's a little rain right now. It's feeling nice outside, and I can't lie, like, stuff is done. I will be opening it up this week, starting it in my suite. It is going to be called Patient Perfection. So you guys, I'm super excited. It is based off my favorite Bible verse, and it is just, I don't know, that Bible verse means a lot to me, and it has helped me a ton in life. And it's funny that I call it Patient Perfection Hair Studio, because God has had to work on me so much on being patient, you guys. And even through this process, I had to tell myself, be patient. And I would laugh because it's so funny how I would want to get impatient. The name is just everything. It's more than just, it has layers to the name. It's firstly and foremost because it's my favorite Bible verse ever. It taught me that being patient and waiting on God perfects you, and it gets things in order. Hold on, I think I heard my daughter. Okay, you guys, I'm back. Brief intermission to handle the children. So, like I was saying, I really don't remember what I was saying, but I have been busy that's where I've been. I will be putting out some content, you guys. I am also going to be starting back motivational Mondays because I really miss doing those. And I be having stuff I just want to share, that's been helpful in my life, and I want to be helpful in you guys' life if possible. So if you guys have been looking for videos, I'm sorry, they are coming. I know it's been probably about 3 weeks, and I'm telling you, it's been consumed with getting stuff ready for my studio. So, but I am almost done. I got a few things to do tomorrow, and just thinking about it. Oh, excuse me, I'm outside. I think allergies starting to bother me. I might film a little bit tomorrow. I got to do a little film on my window and stuff like that. So I may film. We'll see. If we do, I will attach it to this video. Like I said, I will do some progression footage of the suite as best I can so you guys can see the updates. I know if you haven't checked it out, you will see where it began from in my last vlog, which was also the last video I uploaded. And I didn't even do a sister like update, but you guys, I'm gonna make sure I catch you guys up for 2 months when I go for my 10-month this next week. So that's coming too for my sister like ease girls. I will let y'all know what's going on. And I also have a styling video in the works because I said I was going to do it when I did my J Lux label try on haul. I did not forget you ladies who were looking for the for the hairstyle tutorials. I've actually learned a couple new ones or things that have been working for me, so I am going to spend time. I really was waiting till my hair was fresh because everything looks cuter when it's fresh, okay? So I was going to wait till my hair got retied, and then I'm going to do that video. So I got stuff coming. I have not forgot about y'all. I have not quit YouTube. I am just busy, like really, really busy. I haven't even been to the gym. I think I've been to the gym twice, and I worked out like maybe twice at home or one time. So I've been off of my fitness journey and everything, but we gonna get it done. But I want to let you guys know I love y'all. Just a quick update so y'all know that your girl is still here. Yes, I do got content coming. Yes, I got plans. No, I'm not in no bad way. I'm excited about the suite. I'm excited about it. So I got stuff coming. So, like I said, if you haven't subscribed, go check out other videos if it's your first video so you can find out if you want to subscribe. And then just know all y'all that have subscribed, those that believe in me right now, y'all subscribing, hit that notification bell. The videos are coming. I love you guys. As always, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay close to God. Remember that God loves you. He cares for you. He doesn't want to hurt you. He would never wants to trick you. And I will talk to you guys in the next one, okay? Bye, girl.
I hear a lot about sin. I hear a lot about sin. Don't think that I'll be a saint. Don't think that I'll be a saint. But I might go down to the red. I might go down to the red. There's a way that the sky opens up when we touch it. It's making me say that the way you hold me, 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 hold me. Feel so holy, 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 holy. Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can't wait another second. There's a way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. Feel so holy. I don't do well with the drama. I don't do well with the drama. And no, I can't stand a clean fake. And no, I can't stand a clean fake. I don't believe in her. I don't believe in her. But the way that we love in the night gave me life, baby. I can't explain that the way you hold me, 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 hold me. Feel so holy, 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 holy. Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can't wait another second. There's a way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. Feel so holy. They say we're too young and the pimps and the players say don't go crushing. Wise men say fools rushing, but I don't know. They say we're too young and the pimps and the players say don't go crushing. Wise men say fools are rushing, but I don't know. Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can wait another second. Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can wait another second. Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can wait another second. There's a way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, feel so holy. To touch me, this open, this open. Touch me, this open, this open. The first that pleases the Father. Might be the hardest to take. When you come out of the water, I'm a believer, my heart is fleshy. Life is short with a temper, like Joe Pesci. They always come and sing your praises, your name is catchy. But they don't see you how I see you, Parlay and Desi. Cross between Hesse, hit the jet ski. When they get messy, go lefty, like Lionel Messi. Let's take a trip and get the Vespas, or rent a jet ski. I know the spots that got the best beat, we going next week. I wanna honor you. Rise groom, I'm my father's child. I know when the son takes the first step, the father's proud. If you make it to the water, he'll part the clouds. I know he made you a snack like Oscar Proud. Suffer it to be so now, gotta clean it up. Formalize the union and communion he can trust. I know I ain't leaving you like I know he ain't leaving us. I know we believe in God and I know God believes in us. The way you hold me. And the way you hold me. Feel so holy. Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can't wait another second. There's the way you hold me. Feel so holy. Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can't wait another second. Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can't wait another second. Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can't wait another second. There's the way you hold me. Feel so holy. Touch me, this open, this open. Touch me, this open, this open. Holy. Hold me, feel so holy. Holy. Hold me, feel so holy. And the way you hold me. Feel so holy. Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can't wait another second. There's the way you hold me. Feel so holy. Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can't wait another second. Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can't wait another second. Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can't wait another second. There's the way you hold me. Feel so holy. Touch me, this open, this open. Touch me, this open, this open.